Have you ever wondered what it takes to renovate a traditional Japanese townhouse? Today, we delve into an extraordinary tale of transformation. Imagine a charming townhouse, steeped in the rich legacy of Japanese architecture. The owners, brimming with a vision to breathe new life into this traditional structure, dream of a renovation that respects its cultural heritage while infusing modern design elements. Join us as we journey through the transformation of this beautiful abode. The first step in any renovation is demolition. It's a process that takes us back to the bare bones of the structure, stripping away the old, worn-out elements of the past. In the case of our traditional Japanese townhouse, this task is undertaken with meticulous precision. Each swing of the hammer, each removal of the old is done with a keen eye for preservation. There lies the challenge, as certain architectural elements imbued with history and tradition must remain untouched. Enter our construction crew, the unsung heroes of this transformation. Their role is crucial, navigating the delicate balance between demolition and preservation. Their skilled hands and expert knowledge guide them as they carefully dismantle the old structures, while safeguarding the architectural heritage that makes this townhouse so unique. With the old structures cleared away, the stage is set for a new beginning. The canvas is blank, ready for the brushstrokes of renovation and reimagining. The second phase of renovation is the transformation. Here, the bare bones of the traditional Japanese townhouse become a canvas for modernity and tradition to coalesce into a harmonious living space. The new design elements like the minimalist fixtures and the sleek, modern kitchen are carefully selected to complement the home's original aesthetic. The robust wooden beams and the intricate joinery, hallmarks of traditional Japanese architecture, are preserved and highlighted, creating a striking contrast against the contemporary additions. The homeowners are deeply involved in this transformation, their vision guiding the design process. They carry with them a profound respect for the architectural heritage of their home, and this reverence is reflected in every design choice. Their emotional connection to the project is palpable, infusing the renovated space with warmth and personality. As the final touches are made, a new yet familiar home emerges, a testament to the beauty of blending the old with the new and a celebration of Japanese architectural legacy. Now comes the moment of truth, the reveal. From the ashes of the old rises a new incarnation, a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Where once stood a structure steeped in history, now stands a home reflecting the past yet embracing the present. The homeowners, their eyes sparkling with joy, are overwhelmed by the transformation. Their vision, once just a dream, has been brought to life. And so, a journey of transformation concludes, breathing new life into a traditional Japanese townhouse.